I got a box. It's just a kind of a plain white box, but on the end, it says Z817 tuner from LDG, and it's got a sticker of it, $119.95. That is not what I paid for it. Howdy everybody, this is Steve, KM9G. I went on to Arnell's website and I saw that they had a Z817 tuner that was used and marked as broken. And I'm like, I could try and repair that. What's the worst that can happen? 25 bucks? Sold. So it arrived, it sat on the shelf for a while, I haven't touched it. Finally, I got around to it. Let's go over on the bench, open it up, and see if we can fix this thing. Okay, before we do anything, we need to have a test case. This is my working Z817 tuner. I'm gonna put it into bypass mode by tapping once. I'm gonna hit the tune button on my software, which is gonna put out a signal. And we'll read it up here, and we see we've got 1.8, 1.9 SWR, depending on how the wind's blowing. So now what I wanna do is I wanna tune this up to prove that the tuner works. So I'm gonna put out a signal, and it's got a stored memory tune, so we're at 1.2-ish, again, depending on how the wind blows, 1.2 to 1.3. So we made a change. We went from 1.8 down to 1.2. Fantastic. All right, here is the magic box. Let's open this up together and see what we got. We have the cable. Cable looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any nicks or scars or scratches or anything. All the pins appear to be where all the pins need to be. It's in bubble wrap. I didn't expect that. Oh, it looks pretty clean. Let's get this box out of the way. Okay, so fairly clean overall. Looks like it has hardly been used, if it's been used at all. I don't see any big witness marks or anything. The ground screw looks fine. The connectors look fine. No scratches on the back plate. Let's open it up and see if there's anything obviously broken inside. Or this is going to be the shortest repair video ever because we just got fantastically lucky. And now I have an electric screwdriver. All right, it looks clean. No batteries. So, ooh, it's actually got that new electronic smell to it also. Those wires look like they are secure. The button works. Am I going to put batteries in this thing and that's going to be the end of it? The caps look fine. The relays look fine. It is Z81710. I guess that's revision 10 of the firmware. Let's put the battery holder back down in place. And then I need my super extender. I want to see the bottom of the circuit board. There it is, found it. All 4 screws retrieved. I see some cleaning marks on the bottom of the circuit board, but other than that, I see nothing wrong with this. We have to plug this thing in and test it. Put that back, I'll screw this all back together, I'll get some batteries, and we will be right back. Lest any of y'all accuse me of using gas station batteries, only the finest in Duracell batteries go into my automatic antenna tuners. All right, we got batteries in. It makes the noise. It lights the light. Let's rearrange and try it out. Okay, so now the tower of power has grown. I don't know if we're in bypass mode or not, but it doesn't have a tune regardless. We have high SWR. That's not good at all. So let's tune it up. I'm going to tune it here, which is going to put the radio into tune mode. It's doing the thing. And we're at 1.1 to 1. It actually tuned slightly better than the other tuner did. Let's try it from the software. There we go. So the pass-through cable works, the tuner works, the radio tunes up. Let's try a different band. Go to 10 meters and tune. 10 meters tunes. Go back to 12 and tune. Tunes. Go to 15, tune. Okay, that wasn't too happy. Let's tune it from the front of the tuner here instead. So it's not happy on 15. We're starting out at 1.5. I wonder if that's below the tuner's threshold. 18, 1.12, so this will prove that. 1.0, nice. 20, 20's at 1.0. Can't get any better than 1.0. 30, 1.7, 1.06, 40, 1.43, 1.19, that tuned quick. This thing works on everything except for 15. I'm going to recable the other tuner in, and we're going to try the other tuner on 15 just to see what it looks like. And actually, to be honest with you, I'm giving the new tuner a stronger workout than I ever gave the old tuner. Hit tune and see what it says. 1.9. I'm going to hit the tune button. 1.32. Okay, so it tunes just fine. Interesting. So it's bad on 15 meters. Okay, we're going to get forceful. There is a forceful tuning mode, force a full tuning cycle. You hold the button in until this light turns red and keep holding it in until it stops turning red. And we still have that fast flash, but it did tune. That's in bypass mode. That's in inline mode. Yeah, it's doing the thing, but it's weird. The only thing that I see in the owner's manual under troubleshooting, or anywhere else for that matter, about the SWR light blinking is the SWR LED blinks 5 times. Tuning cycle is complete. Tuning matches between 1.5 and 3.0 as opposed to below 1.5. And we are 1.4, and I can't tell if that's 5 blinks or if that's just wigging out. It's flashing so fast I can't count. Let's switch to 12 and I'll show you the difference. And then we hit tune and we're at 1 point something and we touched up. Oh, there's a little bit of a blink there. Okay, and you can see the SWR moving. So I wonder if that's just, yeah, and now it's solid. Let's go back up to 17. Yeah, 17 is solid and we're at 1.0. So I'm gonna say that that's normal operation from what I can tell. Well, thanks RNL. I just got myself a $150 some tuner for 25 bucks. I can't beat that. I did have to add my own batteries. Maybe that's a thing, but it has that new from the factory electronics smell. And check this out. Inside of the lid, there's a little piece of foam there for the battery, and there's no indentation in it from having been used before with batteries. So I don't know, maybe the guy that bought it didn't know it took batteries because he didn't read the owner's manual, or he didn't like that it took batteries and it was just a return, just an open box type item. I don't know, but I got a fantastic deal. Have you seen that blinking light on yours? Because I haven't paid enough attention to it. Sometimes you put things under more scrutiny when you're trying to repair them than when you're just in normal operation. Hey, light's green, let's get on to making contacts. As opposed to, why is that light blinking really, really fast? It could be just blinking in time with the RF that's going through it, or it could be something. I'm gonna go with blinking in time with the RF that's going through it. That's just my current thought, because it did tune the thing. So there is a link to RNL Electronics down below. Give them some business, get some used stuff from them if you're looking for a deal, looking for a steal, and tell them TO sent you. And that will be fantastic. There is a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.